Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use Threads from Instagram. Threads is an app designed with privacy, speed and your close connections in mind. You can share photos, videos, messages, stories and much more with your Instagram close friends list. Follow these steps and you will figure out how to use Threads from Instagram. Most probably you know that on Instagram you can create a list of your close friends. In order to find it, go to your Instagram profile, tap the menu icon and click on the close friends section. Here you can see the list of your close friends. Now go to your App Store if you have an iPhone or to Google Play Store if Android. Find Threads from Instagram app and click to download it. Now go and open it. You need to sign up with your Instagram account information. Once you have picked your close friends and set up all of your settings, you will be moved to a camera window. Now take a picture. And you will be able to choose from 3 options at the bottom of your screen. View once, replay, and keep in chat. For example, I will choose replay. Actually, this app is similar to Instagram because it lets you to add a text, stickers, draw on your picture, or even download it to your camera roll. When your image is prepared, press the huge white button, and now you can choose to add this picture to your story, letting only your close friends to see it, or you can just pick one of your close friends and share it with this person. If you select to send to a particular friend, then he or she will receive your visual as a direct message. Keep in mind that you have an opportunity to chat with your close friends in the Threads app. Just tap to open the conversation and you can write your message. What is more, if you press on the menu icon in the top left corner of your screen, you will see a lot of different options like create hidden groups, change your app theme and much more. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Threads from Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.